Hello friends, in this video today I am going to explain how to create a sitemap in WordPress and how to submit those sitemap to Google Search Console. Now there are two types of sitemap. One is the XML sitemap, which Google understand, or I can say the different search engine understand. And one more sitemap is HTML sitemap, which you can show in your website. So let me show you both the types. So for that, let me go to my blog. So if I go to my blog and if I go and click on sitemap, so it will show all the posts divided by the categories. So it has all the posts that are published in my blog. So this is called the HTML sitemap. Now let me show you what is the XML sitemap. So I did a spelling mistake. Let me index.xml. So this is the file for the XML sitemap. So those two files Google can understand and it can index your all the blocks. Okay, now let me show you how to do both XML and HTML sitemap in your WordPress blog. So to create XML sitemap is a pretty easy job. You simply have to install a SEO plugin. So for all my blogs, I'm using RankMath. So if you go to RankMath, you have to go for sitemap. So if you click all the options, so by default it will create a sitemap. Okay, if you don't want to create sitemap, then you have to go to setup wizard. You have to go to sitemap and you have to select off. So if you click on, then it will create all the XML sitemap. Okay, now let me show you how to create HTML sitemap. Like you want to show all the posts in certain page, you want to show the index of all the posts, so you have to create HTML sitemap. Let me show you how to do that. So let me go to my WordPress dashboard. Go to plugin and new. And type for WP sitemap. So as you can see, this plugin has about 200k installation. So it's a really good plugin. Let me click on install. And then activate. Once you do that, you will have an option for the sitemap. If you go to settings, so here is the sitemap option, so you have to click here. Now if you want to show only the post, then you have to copy this shortcode. If you want to show the pages, then you have to select this shortcode. If you want to show only the category, then you have to select this. So based on your requirement, you can select the shortcode. So let me copy this. Now let me go to page and create a new page. give a name as sitemap and paste the code and publish it and view the page. So as you can see, it has created the HTML sitemap for my blog. So now you understood how to create an XML sitemap, which will be done by your SEO plugin, and how to create an HTML sitemap. Now how to send this XML sitemap to Google. So let me show you that. For that you have to go to Google Search Console. And then you have to select your property. You have to go to sitemap. Here you have to give the link of the sitemap. So typically if you're using rank math, the URL would be like this. So RiansClub.com, then sitemap underscore index dot XML. Now we have to click on submit. So once you submit, after a day or two, it will be indexed. So as you can see that I have submitted 2 sitemap and both are indexed. Okay. So this is the process how you can submit your XML sitemap to Google Search Consoles. Okay. So guys, you got an idea like how to create a sitemap both in HTML and XML, right? If you have any questions, if you have any doubt, then do write me in the comment section and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.